and today we will be learning about a new topic called Paana. Okay, my goal is that you'll be able to learn a new Hindi verb, which is when it is used as an auxiliary verb, what impact it make on the sentences. Okay, now we will do something in the past, present tense. Um, let's do this one. And this is she is unable to work. वह काम नहीं कर पाती है. And this is just like how you will conjugate the indefinite sentences. मैं चलता हूँ, मैं सोचता हूँ, मैं बोलता हूँ. But in this case, it's basically you will use the base stem of the main verb and you use the pana in the present indefinite. कर पाना becomes कर पाता, कर पाती और कर पाते.